Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. This is my 2018 Christmas house tour. I am happy that you guys are able to join me today. Destiny will be showing you guys around. Enjoy, guys. Hi guys, I know you. Hi. How are you? Hi. Okay, you're gonna show me? Oh, you got a beautiful home. Hi. Okay guys, so this is our tree, and the children had decorated it, and it was decorated for about a month and a half, and I decided to redecorate it because I am hosting Christmas this year, and I wanted the tree to look beautiful, and it is. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So starting from the front, we have this sign that says hello. You will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. And then we have this other sign that says have yourself a merry little Christmas. And this is our dining room, and that light fixture we got from Habitat for Humanity, and we just spray painted it and gave it a new look and hung it up. This picture right here is just a drawing that I did, nothing fancy. This sign I had made about a year ago, and I love it. And if you guys don't know, I am a big fan of Raydon mugs, so I have plenty to display. This sign I got from Hobby Lobby December 25th, Merry and Bright. And this is just my table. It's not the best, but I love it. And this is our half bath downstairs. And we framed out the mirrors down there, and it turned out really well, and I like it. I love it. I love it. It turned out really well. Then we're moving on into our living area. We have a very open floor pan, and yeah, I love the openness of it. I love that we're able to be together and be able to see each other in every single space. So that's what I love about our home. And moving on into the living room. This is our favorite place to be. We hang out here a lot. We watch a lot of movies. We just hang out as a family. On any given day, you can catch us in here. That's just a basket filled with books that Maddie can read, and her diaper and wipes, and this little sign here that spells out home with a little read that says happy holidays. I'm very proud of our home. This is our first time owning a home, and I couldn't be more proud. This wall is our gallery wall. Well, it is my gallery wall. My husband did not want it, but I won, I guess. And this is just a bunch of quotes on the wall that says a lot of different things and has different meaning. This is our eating area in the kitchen. The children eat most of their meals in this section of the kitchen because it only has 4 chairs and there's 7 of us. And then over here is just a letterboard that I did, and it's just our family and when it was established, when our family was established, and a Bible scripture that is near and dear to my heart. And this sign right here that says good morning sunshines. You guys are always close to my heart as well. And we have more Ray done up there. I got some wreath going, my canister, my Merry Christmas canister, my Happy Holidays platter. Destiny will be taking over the tour from here, and she will go a bit more in depth and tell you guys more details. So enjoy, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas house tour, and Destiny is going to do the honors of showing you guys around of our beautiful, well decorated home. And it took a minute to get this house fully cleaned and ready to show you guys what it looked like, because it was a hot mess. So I hope you guys enjoy this Christmas house tour, and I'm so sorry that it is so late and it took me forever to put this video up, but nonetheless, here it is, and I hope you guys enjoy our home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I keep saying here, but I think it's over there on this side. Yeah, hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and I would love to have you guys here with us on my channel, where I post vlogs, hauls, just randomness. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi Maddie. Hi. You want to show the sunshines around our home? We're baking cookies tonight to bring in the Christmas, and also for the kiddos to be able to stay up until midnight. Hi. Hi Maddie. I love your hair, yes.
Over here, we got our island. Sometimes it's clean, sometimes it's dirty. That's what it's for. And then we have this thing. I don't know what it is, but you can rotate it. I don't think that's for it. And then we got some decorations here. Cup with some flowers in it with a metal house. And this nice creamer thingy.
That you broke?
Yeah. We have this Days Till Christmas thing, where I remember we used to do it, and we only have one more day till Christmas, which is tomorrow. And then over here we have a toy for some reason with this White house. Are we supposed to paint this? Or no? No. And then we have farmhouse Christmas door with a little gnome over here with a black house. And then we have some stuff to bake things. And then over here, we have a metal thing to carry all this stuff for decorations. So we have a tall Mary jar, a hope thing, a hope little brick, and then a joy canister. I was going to say that. I didn't know what it was. And a cheer canister with another white, feels like a painted house thing, and then a white thing to hold it up, and then a fa la la cup, butter, and then a face brick with peace with a little cow. And then over here we have Mommy's KitchenAid mixer with a Believe bowl and a Wish bowl that there's a white thing holding it up, and we have our coffee spoons holder. There we go. And then over here to the coffee center / cocoa. Then we need to refill our marshmallow jar with some strawberry sticks to mix around. Our sprinkles, our sweet stripes.
They go in here.
They go in here, but we need to refill it. Our cocoa, some coffee, another sprinkles, but they're different, and some marshmallows in there, different. And then we have a cocoa sign that needs to come up in a coffee jar where we keep our coffee in. And then a hot cocoa sign that says 5 cents. And then some of Mommy's things she needs to make when in the morning. And then our coffee stand, coffee mixer thing. And then our coffee over here.
That's Daddy's.
Yep, Daddy loves coffee. And then we have oil, which our grandparents gave Mom and Daddy. And then less is more, and on the back it says more or less. So I'll keep it at this. Less is more. And then our bowls of utensils over here. And then cheese, a tiny cheese. Daddy broke the knife for a cut. And then cheese, a big cheese cupboard. Well, we never use, but because it's for, decorations. And then in here, I forgot what was in here.
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa stuff. And then in here we have actual sugar. And then in here for tea we have nothing. But then in here we have flour, but no flour, with some pretty bones. And over here, our tiny stove, Mommy wants to replace it, so. Then we have our little tea thing. Actually, Daddy actually did some. And then our thing. And then our microwave up top with some wreaths and a fly in a white house. And then we have our cookie jar, which says Merry Christmas. Right now, there's nothing in it. And our Happy Holidays.
Well, it's going to be filled by the time tonight is over.
Happy Holidays sign and
a
spoon rest. And then our little black refrigerator with a coffee thing up top.
Mug.
Mug. And then You've Got It mug up there, I think. And a Merry Christmas canister with
platters.
And then we have our pantry, which is very unique and filled. It says pantry up there that you already know. And then we got our pretty wreath. It lights up, but we turn it on when it's dark. And then we have our trash. We got a full trash can and some stuff for here, like a dad's lunchbox and some jackets and hats. And then we have a Good Morning Sunshine thing of that from a long time ago.
Okay.
And then we have our, what was this? I forgot it.
Gallery wall.
A gallery wall, yeah, of Mommy's pictures that she likes. And then we have our black table from a long time ago. This is where we just eat, where we can't eat over there sometimes. So we have our Santa little thing with some platters of Christmas stuff. And there's actual salt in here. So this one's salt and then this one's pepper. And it says, we go together like salt and pepper. So we got some pepper there. And then our paper towels and then our pour jar thing. And then with some flowers in it. There you go.
Want to take us somewhere else? Want to tell us about your Christmas tree?
Oh yeah, let's tell about our Christmas tree. This is our second year Christmas tree, I think. So Mommy decorated, we decorated first, and then we were having a party, so we decorated, Mommy decorated it so it would look good. And then we have our presents and stockings, and yeah, presents. And then popcorn under there, just one jar. And that's all for our Christmas tree. And then our living room. See our living room. So we have our TV stand, which is a fireplace stand with our sound bar and our phone with some unique stuff from countries for my mom and dad. And then we have an angel back here in the thing to spot it. See, it's just there. And then we have cards for our dad, from our dad. And then we have a fireplace for Maddie. And then our box connection and a sound bar and some pillows with some covers and a lamp with a comfort and joy sign with a farmhouse between two flowers in the window. And we have our couch, our medium couch, and our nightstand with a lamp and a candle house with a little tree in it with some ornaments surrounding it. Our home sign with some flowers behind there. And then, over there. And then we have blankets with our messy basket there with some books and hair ties and stuff. And then we have our small couch. That's some small couch, our small couch where I like to lay down with our family pillow. It's really comfy. And then over here we have our dining room with a home sign with a wreath as an O. It lights up and it says Happy Holidays in it, in a vent. And then over here we have our tiny little advent calendar, which this is tomorrow, Christmas. This is Jason's. And then we have a little coffee center where there's going to be a bench here with a coffee stand where you saw. We have mugs that says Mr. Claus, Mrs. Claus, Naughty, Believe, and then a joy sign with the jingle cup, a painted house, white, merry and bright, and silent night with the little grateful thing. And then December 25, a little plant and a metal silver house, tiny tree with the little white thing, and the red truck, which my mommy likes all of those, and an Albornoz family party of 7 thing. And then we have our chalkboard where mommy had to make a tree and she loved it so much, and it's snowing. And we have our windows.
Pretty little window that daddy framed out.
Yep, last night. And mommy had to put the blinds up by all herself at Jordan. And then we have our table, which we're gonna use today and tomorrow. We have our chandelier. We got the chandelier from
where's this? No, Habitat for Humanity. We found it for $25, and Marcelo spray painted it black and hung it yesterday. So we have a chandelier for Christmas.
And then we have plates that says Merry, and little yum plates and eat plates on here, like a scale barnhouse thing. And then mommy made this a long time ago last year. And then her grateful and blessed and thankful.
Yeah.
With the little things. And then she has little clear jars with some plants in it with the believe plate under it with candle holders, spoon with some plastic spoons in it. A metal silver house with the believe ornament in it on top of it. A fork with plastic forks in it. We're gonna put more, I think, in there. And then another candle holder.
And this turns
on our
Christmas lights outside.
With another thing we saw over there. And then we have little
napkins,
and we have a placemat. So that's all. Those are napkins.
What about
over here? We have our bathroom, which between a picture of this and another picture of this. So our bathroom,
get the stuff off
our bathroom looks like this. We have our toilet, our trash can. We have a little basket.
It's supposed to be number 1 and number 2.
Here, with some baskets, just cover up the boat. Some baskets and ornaments and our spray. And this is number 1. And there's a bow covering that with some towels in it, and a picture called "Take a Seat," and little trees, and a black covered metal thing with it's holding up everything here. And then we have our framed out mirror, which my mom and dad did, and that's like not long. And we have Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day apple cider scent hand soap and some pink soap if that runs out. And then we have our towels and a little bow, toilet paper, and oh dear scent thing. And then our light. We have to change it out. And then over here at our door, we have a bench with 2 pillows. One pillow says "We wish you a Merry Christmas," and this one's just a decorative vine pillow. And then we have yourself a Merry Little Christmas sign with a little hangover
buffalo check blanket.
We have our sign.
We have the Mia family, the Oliver. So she's here on YouTube, Mia Joy. I've been following her for a long time because this is our 2nd year getting a card from her, and I like to display her family at Christmas time throughout my home.
And then she has another one for someone
from last year, yes.
And then she has a sign that says "You will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out." Deuteronomy 28 verse 6 with a little wreath thing hanging over.
It's not a wreath, it's a garland.
A garland, right, hanging over it.
She's busy.
And then a hello sign.
Okay.
And then our doormat, which was under there, but we put it here in our door.
Okay, so you can open the door and show them out. Okay.
Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy our home. We go.